Hello guys, welcome back to Pranay Gangan classes. This is Pranay and this is the part 2 of chapter 2 EIS Financial and Accounting Systems. Shortcuts जो बदल दे आपकी दुनिया. Guys, as already said in the first video, on the functional modules of ERP, ICA has given 3 to 4 questions. Okay, so in this 11 modules, functional modules of ERP, they have given 3 to 4 questions. So basically this is a very important part of this chapter, and remembering 11 modules names is itself difficult, and the insider points of these 11 points are, you can judge the difficulty level. Okay, so I have made the shortcuts for it so that you can remember it in very easy manner. In this 11 we have seen 6 points in the first video. You can see the I button on the top right corner, and the rest 5 we are going to cover in this video. Okay guys, starting with the first, that is seventh quality management module. Guys, in the short, if I need to say, first we will plan, then for the plan we will control, and we will assure that our plan is going in the right manner, and if it's not going in the right manner, we will improve it. Okay, this is in a very small form. Now I'll let you know the process. Okay guys, so brief process and the story of CA life. Okay, through the story of CA life we will remember quality management module. Starting with the first, the standards are set for us to pass in the exams. Okay, like in every subject we need to get 40, and in aggregate we need to score 200 out of 400. This is the standards are set, but according to each person's, we will set our quality targets. Like if I am good in accounts, I will target 70, and I am weak in law, I will target 45. That is quality targets according to us. Next, management plan. So for achieving the targets, we'll firstly our target will be like to score 400 out of 800, and if you're doing one group, 200 out of 400. So to achieve that 400 out of 800, we'll make a plan like accounts mein 70 and in the law anyways I need to get 50 in costing. So this is our management plan, and now we will define how management plan will work. Okay, so if I want 17 accounts, so I need to study the way. Okay, so I will define like by morning I need to get up at 4 o'clock, and first I need to study accounts, then law. Accordingly we will define how the plan will work. Next we will take the actions. Now once we defined, then from the tomorrow or the next day we will take the actions. And if there are any quality issues, like I targeted to get up at 4 o'clock, wake up at 4 o'clock, but I am not getting waking up. So what we'll do, is there any change required? We'll do the needful. Simple. Okay, so in the quality management module, it is the same as the CLI. First the standards are set, then then quality targets we are setting. Okay, then we'll play chameleon, how many marks we need to get in each subject. Okay, then we'll define how we'll implement, how we'll plan for that. Next we will take the actions, and if there are any quality issues we will change. And last, report on overall level of quality achieved. Okay, so when your result will be declared, it will not declared upon accounts, law, on a particular, it will be declared upon overall level of quality achieved. Okay, and quality is checked at multiple times, like you are like potential is checked at accounts also, law also, costing, tax, ITS. I mean every subject, like at multiple points they are checking our quality. So that's it guys, quality management module, CA life quality. You need to think the story. It's a very simple story. Okay, I think next we'll go with plant maintenance module. Okay guys, in this plant maintenance module there are very realistic points, of which I just can't make the shortcuts. Once you go through it, you will definitely come to know. Okay, so first point is to achieve minimum breakdown. Okay, and if any plant, the owner just will think in this way only, to achieve minimum breakdown and to keep the plant in good working condition at the lowest possible cost. Okay. Second, to keep machines and other facilities in a condition that permits them to be used at optimum capacity without any interruption. Okay, without any interruption, my plant should give me the optimum capacity. Anyone will think that in that way only. And last, to ensure the availability of the machines, building and services required by other sections of the factory for the performance of their function at optimum return on investment. Like if someone wants the machine, we should be like ready to serve them. Okay, we need to take the optimum return on investment on the machine. So these are very realistic objectives. Like the objectives will definitely be realistic, but the points are very easy, of which I can't just make the shortcuts in every for confusing you. Okay, next we'll go with third, project system module. Okay guys, now this is a process, so just look at my cursor. First we will go from last to first. Okay guys, so project system module itself defines like the project should be completed. Okay, for completion of project, first of all it should be implemented. Okay, for completion of project it should be implemented, and for implementation we need budget, that to release the budget should be, and it should be released. So once the budget is released, we will implement the project, then the project will be completed. Okay, for budget to be released, we need to make a plan. Okay, like if you go on a trip, first we'll make a plan, like ना भाई tickets कितने लगने वाले, and what the stay we are stay पे इतने लगने वाले. So after making that plan, we'll release that budget to our parents, then they will release the payment, then we'll implement it, and the trip will be completed. Likewise, we need to make a plan first of all. Okay, and for making a plan we need to create project. Okay, for the project planning we need to create the project. Okay, and for it we need to create templates, like following like 5 to 6 projects, and then that we are selecting this create project, and now we are planning, then the budget will be released, then we will implement, and last we will complete the project. Okay, this is a very simple process guys. First you need to complete, you need to think in the like descending order. First, project system module means what? The project will be completed. For completion it should be implemented. For implementation the budget should be released. For releasing the budget we need to make the plan. For planning we need to create it. For the create we need to get it from templates. Okay guys, next, supply chain module. This is also very realistic if you are aware of it. Okay, and I think 99.99% people are aware. Just if you don't think in the answer way, it will be very easy for you. Okay, if you are thinking bhai this is the EIS answer, so it will be very difficult, and if you are thinking it's a general knowledge, it will be very easy guys. You see, the raw materials are collected by the suppliers and given to the manufacturer. Okay, raw materials by the suppliers are given to the manufacturer. They will manufacture it and they will give to the distributor. They will retail, they will give to retailer, and we consumer will take from the retailer. Very simple procedure guys. I think everyone knows of it, but just you just don't think it as an EIS answer, then it will be very easy for you. Okay, what is this? Raw materials, supplier. The supplier will take the raw material and give to the manufacturer. The manufacturer will generate, like it will produce the product, and it will give to distributor, and the distributor will pass to the retailer, and the retailer will give to the consumer. This is nothing but supply chain model. Next guys, last, customer relationship management. So customer relationship management is like what the company is maintaining, how the company is maintaining the relationship with the management. Okay, so when I asked this question in the public, so two companies, first of all ICICI Bank came to me, we have the best customer relationship management. Oh, I said okay. Anyone? Then Bank of Maharashtra also came. No, we are also having the best customer relationship. I said okay. So but the winner will be the only one, na? So please differentiate your points, I asked. So ICICI Bank said improved customer relations we have. Like see, IC improved customer relations. Okay, I see. Okay. And then Bank of Maharashtra, they said optimize market. We have the optimize market. Okay, this O stands for optimize market. Okay. And Lex said, okay, now say your second point, third point. Then we said IC. Now this IC, second IC, we had increased customer revenue. Okay, I say okay. You had improved customer relations. Now you are increasing customer revenue also. This ICI completed. Okay. So now this said like we maximize upselling, cross selling. We maximize upselling, cross selling. Guys, you can also remember like कि महाराष्ट्र का CM is उद्धव ठाकरे. Maharashtra's CM cross selling is Uddhav Thackeray. Upselling. Okay. Just if you need in the point also you need the shortcut. Okay. Maximize upselling, cross selling. And last, okay. Now I asked for you guys over, or if you had any more points. Now Bank of Maharashtra said no, khatam, Tata, see you. So I asked if ICICI Bank you had one more point, you will win. Okay, they'll say yes, I had it. And the last is IB, better internal communication. We had better internal communication. Guys, these are the 5 customer relationship management. Okay, first one is improved customer relations, and ICICI Bank. Okay, so improved customer relations, increased customer revenue, better internal communication. And Bank of Maharashtra, optimize market and maximize upselling and cross selling. Okay, so with this we have completed the 11 modules of ERP, functional modules of ERP. That's it for this video, guys. If you like the shortcuts, please share it to your friends. Okay guys, thank you so much.